Right, we've spoken about frequency tables. Okay, so this was in one of my previous recordings. I actually wrote an exemplary question of how to answer a frequency table sort of a question. Okay, typically what they do is they give you a bunch of unorganized data, and you actually count the number of times 2 occurs. So the number of times 2 occurs is 6. So you tally it here just to keep track: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so now we've got the frequency. So this frequency table shows that 9 students have got 0 siblings, 8 students have got 1 sibling each, 6 students have got 2 siblings each, 5 students have got 3 siblings each, 2 students have got 4 siblings each. Now, how do we represent this and convert this into a histogram? So let me just histogram this lesson on histograms. Okay, let me just scroll down to the next page. Okay, so let me just draw the frequencies here. There's okay, the frequencies is normally on the vertical axis. Alright, the frequency. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the horizontal axis will show you the number of siblings. Alright, so number of siblings here, number of siblings. Okay, so the number of siblings is between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one thing to note is that histogram is a vertical bar with no gaps. Vertical bar with no gaps in between. Alright, unlike bar graphs. And the area of each bar is proportional to the frequency. Alright, it represents. So what we are doing is we are actually converting a frequency table into a histogram here. So let me just write histogram. So in the previous example, okay, the number of siblings, let's go back a page, the number of students who've got 0 siblings is 9. So what we do is we draw 9 here. Oops, drawing horrible, excuse me. Okay, let me just, please pardon my drawing, I'm not very good in drawing. Okay, and then let's scroll back to the previous page. The number of students who've got one sibling is 8, and the number of students who've got 2 siblings is 6. You can see here, right about here. There you go. Okay, so 8 and 6. Okay, so 8 and 6. Alright, let's look at the number of students who have 3 and 4 siblings, respectively 5 and 2. Alright, 5 and 2. So 5 is here, 5 and 2. So there you go. That's a typical question on how to convert a frequency table into a histogram.